This is your Service Department. This is Jari speaking. How may I help you?
Good morning. Can I order for my breakfast?
Certainly, sir. But before I take your order, do you have your menu? It is located on the table beside your bed. Did you see it?
Yes.
Okay, sir. May I know your name and room number, please?
My name is Lawrence Pedrosa and my room is room 305.
Okay, sir. If you're ready to order now, may I take your order now?
Can I order American breakfast, scrambled egg, white toast with butter, porridge served with cold milk, orange juice, sausage, and hot tea?
Okay, sir. May I suggest to you our orange juice? It is also under in your continental of breakfast. Would you like me to add it in your breakfast, sir?
No.
Okay, sir. May I repeat your order? You ordered one regular coffee and one muffin for your breakfast. Did I get your order right, sir?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Are you paying cash or change it to your room?
Just charge it to my room.
Okay, sir. Your order will be served within 15 minutes. Is there anything else that I can do for you, sir?
No thanks.
Okay, sir. Thank you and have a nice day.
Room service.
Yes?
Good day, sir. I am Johnny Day, your service attendant for today. Is the room 305 of Mr. Lawrence? May I come in?
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Where would you like me to place your food? Would you like me to set up a table for you?
No.
Would you like me to open the curtain for you? Is this AC temperature okay? Or would you like me to adjust it? Would you like me to turn on the TV for you?
No, that's okay.
Alright, sir. Allow me to present your food to you. This is your order, American breakfast, scrambled egg, white toast with butter, porridge with cold milk, orange juice, sausage, and hot tea.
I'm all good, thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Is this anything else that I can help with you?
I'm good, thank you.